Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to change the background color in Notion. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Notion.so website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the pages that you have in your Notion. So guys, if you look at the right side of the screen, after successfully making a Notion, you will have all these options such as you see in the search bar and so on. You can see your theme spaces right here. Here you can see the pages and you can create new pages. So guys, let's say that we have created a new page. We're going to be using this one right here called Getting Started. Let's say that you have a new page and you have some text that you want to change the background color for. So guys, how do you do that? Well, it's very easy guys, and you only need one trick. Let's say guys that we want to go ahead and put this table right here into a new background color. You can do that by clicking these dots next to the left side of the text that you want, and you can then select the color option right here. But guys, if you do this, then you will have to separately change color for every background right here. So guys, if you want to do it all in once, so you do not have to change one by one, then what you can do guys is go ahead and create a new block, and we're going to go ahead and type in toggle list. So we're going to type in /toggle list, and we're going to select this block right here. After selecting this, we're going to go ahead and give it a, let's say, back colors. After naming it colors guys, then we're going to go ahead and do the same trick. We're going to go ahead and change the color of this block. So I'm going to go ahead and change the color to orange. And after selecting the orange button guys, now what we can do is you can drag any other block that you have. Let's say you have a table right here or some text like me. I'm going to go do that and drag it to colors. And after dragging it to colors guys, now you can see that they are gone. But if you click this button right here guys, this play button right here, this will now open up this new page, and you can see that the background is the same for every text, and anything that you put in right here to this colors page will now have the same background color. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.